Yes, Amazon in the Middle East has finally Arabized the website. Or is it Arabified, Arabitized? You know what I mean. The number one most recurring question is always, should I be adding Arabic keywords into my backend keywords or into my ads if I'm selling on Amazon UAE, KSA, and Saudi? And as of today, my answer to this question is yes. Let's talk about why this was such a monumentous task by the team in Amazon Middle East and why it took so long for us to have Arabic keywords generated and Arabic keywords to be used in our listings. So let's talk about it. Arabic is a rich and beautiful language. However, and this is according to Wikipedia, there are almost 5 separate Arabic dialects. So you've got the classic Arabic, the standard professional Arabic that almost everyone knows, everyone who speaks Arabic, of course. But then you've got your local dialects, and hence, which makes things so much harder. So as an example, the standard word in Arabic for shoe is hidha, whereas somebody from Egypt would call it gazma in their standard everyday spoken Arabic. Some people from the Levant region, including Algeria, Tunisia, might call it sabat. And other people, potentially maybe from Iraq and the Gulf region, would call it kundara or kandara. So as you can see, figuring out Arabic keywords is not that simple. But good news, it's already been done. The reason and purpose of this video is to explain to you how you, as an Amazon seller in the Middle East, can take full advantage of Arabic keywords in your listings. But before we jump into all of this, by the way, hello, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We're a certified Amazon service provider and we work with sellers just like you right here on Amazon in the Middle East. By the way, if you're looking for a cheat sheet about everything that I'm going to be talking about in this video so that you can go through it later on, of course, we've created one for you. You can find it linked in the description box of this video. Download it for free and get going. If you also are looking for help and support with things like starting your business on Amazon or even support with advertising, listing optimization, if you are an existing Amazon seller in the Middle East, then we're the team that are helping and supporting a lot of sellers and we'd love to work with you as well. You can reach out to us on our website and book a call with the team so that we can walk you through all of our programs and see if we can help you out. Now, of course, it goes without saying that the vast majority of customers on Amazon utilize Amazon platforms, be it UAE, Saudi Arabia, or Egypt, in Arabic. And one of the ways that you would utilize Amazon is by searching for products. So they use Arabic keywords to search for products. So prior to this additional changes that this Arabization that Amazon has done, what would normally happen if somebody logs into Amazon and types in an Arabic keyword? So the previous journey would go like this. You would write an Arabic keyword, then Amazon would translate that keyword into its English counterpart and then map it to the closest keyword in English. And hence, you might imagine the problem because translating a keyword is not always easy since there is not one standard way of calling products in the Arabic language. If you're using your own Arabic dialect, if you are from a certain country in the Arab world, that translation might not be correct. Hence why you might not see certain products on your Amazon search page result. For you as an Amazon seller, this is very important because you assume whether somebody uses shoe or hidha to look for a product, they're gonna still see your product. But that's certainly not the case because keywords change. But now that this has been fixed, and if somebody uses an Arabic keyword, they will see products that are indexed for that Arabic keyword. This is why I wanted to do this video to talk about the 3 steps that you should be doing immediately as an Amazon seller in the Middle East so that you can take full advantage of this. Number 1, let's talk about ads. So right now, if you're running auto campaigns, discovery campaigns, you're gonna start seeing Arabic keywords if maybe you have already seen, you're going to start seeing Arabic keywords in your search terms being suggested by Amazon. You should do the standard process. You should keep those Arabic keywords if they're relevant to your products, and you should try to figure out whether or not they are performing well. And if they do end up performing well, just like we normally talk about, and obviously it's depending on your strategy, but normally the standard process is if a keyword performs well in an auto campaign, you just simply move it to a manual campaign to the right match type and focus on it. Now, according to Amazon, you shouldn't be creating keyword campaigns just in Arabic and keyword campaigns just in English. There's absolutely no problem with mixing them together as long as you're using the right match types. And my tip would be not to keyword stuff your campaigns. So it would be very important if you're creating a manual campaign not to have more than 10 keywords, at max 15 keywords for each and every campaign. Number 2, keyword research. So going back even prior to maybe advertising, if you are currently researching products, or you're researching rather keywords for your products, and you're utilizing tools like Helium 10, you're gonna also start seeing results in Arabic. Now, mind you, if you're watching this video in September while I'm filming it, the changes on Amazon occurred last month. So it's going to take a little bit of time for us to start seeing data related to those keywords. So right now you might see the keyword on Helium 10, but you might find that there's absolutely no search volume. There's no information about it. That doesn't mean you should be removing it, but certainly looking into it and figuring out whether or not you can utilize it. Which brings me to the last step. And how are you going to utilize this keyword? Yes, you can target keywords using ads if you want to, but you can also add your keywords into your backend. And this has been a question that has been asked for a very long time. And like I said in the introduction of the video, prior to this change by Amazon, I would always answer no, because Arabic keywords were not something that Amazon had or weren't applicable to the marketplace. But right now they are. So yes, adding those great Arabic keywords into your backend might be game-changing for you, because you might be able to index for those particular keywords that are currently being used by customers in Arabic, whereas your competitors aren't currently doing the same and are not currently indexed for those keywords. So it's time for you to make those changes. It's time for you to start embracing the beautiful Arabic language. If you are an Arabic speaker like me, it's going to be so much easier. If not, then you can certainly recruit help and support. You can figure it out online nowadays. It's quite simple. Thank you so much as always for watching this video. Consider subscribing to the channel. Leave me a thumbs up on this video and leave me your comments and questions in the comments section below. As always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.